Hi everyone, my name is Erin and I'm an accounting and finance student at the University of Southampton, and I'm going to bring you along with me for a week of lectures to show you what it's like as a student. On Mondays I'm actually in the city centre campus all day, which is quite nice because it's nice to have a change of scenery and it's good to be in the city centre. However, it is always very tempting to just go and get some lunch and not bring my own lunch, which is not a good habit to have. So I got here a bit early. My bus took a bit quicker than I thought it would. But I'm here now and I'm just waiting in the student hub to go into my lecture. Yes, you are in the cupboard. I've just got back from my lecture and I forgot to do my meal prep yesterday because I went to the cinema, so I was a bit busy. So I'm just meal prepping some chicken to put in sandwiches throughout the week. This is something I do pretty much every week just to save time and effort. I'll make something up and put it in like a bagel or a sandwich or a wrap, or like with pasta or with rice, whatever. Take it to uni with me and then it can be easily eaten and not spending money eating out all the time. I am part of the business school, and within the business school we have like a peer leading programme, which is basically where second and third years sort of help out the first years within the business school and their transition into university life. And I am a peer leader, so I currently have a cup of tea and a biscuit, and I'm planning my session for Wednesday. It's now 11 o'clock and my marketing lecture has just finished, and I've gone to the shop for a cheeky coffee and pastry because, you know, it's always good to look after yourself, and if you want a coffee and a pastry, why not? I'm just outside my seminar now. I have a seminar 4 till 5, but I'm here kind of early, so I'm just sat outside. Gonna go into my seminar in a minute. Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, and I'm having my banana porridge because why not? Cheap, it's easy, it's simple. Chuck it in the microwave and enjoy. I only had an hour-long session this morning. As I said before, I'm a peer leader. That was my hour-long session from 10 until 11. And it's 12 now. Time really flies. I've just been doing a few things for my society, sending emails, booking rooms. We're trying to sort out our social for Halloween. Have a driving lesson on a Wednesday, because Wednesdays are pretty clear for most students. Tend to have a lot of sports activities that happen on a Wednesday and other like society activities. So the afternoons tend to be pretty clear of lectures and seminars, which is great. Just got to campus now. I have a 10 until 11 seminar and then 11 till 1 lecture, and I'm in building 100 this morning, which is an absolute gorgeous building to be in on this lovely morning. Getting my notes ready because I have a feeling I'm going to be picked on. You've got to be prepared. It's incredibly loud in here, and I wouldn't be surprised if you actually can't hear me right now. But I've come to the coffee shop on campus and I've got coffee, and I'm catching up on a training session that I missed yesterday. I feel like it's very evident that I have like favourite spots at the university that I like to go to. I feel like you've seen me in this cafe about 6 times this week. Something like that. But anyway, it's finally Friday and I am currently working on my CV because I'm in my final year, which is very scary, very daunting, and I'm applying for grad jobs. And yeah, it's a lot of work, especially trying to balance it with like other deadlines and stuff, but yeah, it's gonna be fine. Hi everyone, I feel like I'm doing an ASMR right now. I am studying and I'm whispering because why not, but I'm racking my brains. I really don't understand this topic, and yeah, I just wanted to update you. But it's okay to struggle because I myself am struggling. This is crazy because I'm editing this video right now as we speak. Crazy, but Friday night, my favourite day of the week. There's not the pressure of having to wake up for uni the day after, which is always so lovely. But don't worry, I've stopped stressing since that previous clip. I'm fine now. I've just been editing this video as it's Friday and we're nearly at the end of the evening. I need to go and eat dinner and then probably gonna wrap this up. I'm kind of sad. What am I gonna do without you guys? I'm going to end the video here and I want to say thank you so much for watching. Hope this was insightful for any prospective student or current student who just is a bit interested on what it's like being a third year accounting and finance student. And yeah, thank you very much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye!